Are you tired of struggling financially and seeking methods to draw money into your life? Look no further, because today we're sharing 5 effective daily affirmations that will help you achieve financial abundance. These affirmations are based on the law of attraction and have the power to change your life forever. So get ready to unlock your financial potential and embrace a future filled with wealth and prosperity. Number 1. I am a magnet for money. We start our list with a powerful affirmation that focuses on becoming a magnet for wealth. This affirmation helps you shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. Say it with conviction and believe in its power. As you repeat this phrase daily, you'll gradually attract money into your life effortlessly. Picture yourself surrounded by opportunities for financial growth, such as a promotion at work, unexpected gifts, or lucrative investment opportunities. The law of attraction states that whatever you focus on expands. So by affirming that you are a magnet for money, you send out a vibrational signal to the universe, aligning yourself with the flow of abundance. Visualize yourself as a strong magnet attracting wealth from all directions. See the greenbacks flowing towards you as you speak these words with unwavering belief. Embrace the feeling of already having achieved financial freedom. With this affirmation, you'll start noticing positive changes in your financial situation. Opportunities will present themselves, and you'll feel empowered to make choices that lead to greater prosperity. Remember, consistency is key. Make it a habit to repeat this affirmation daily, and soon you'll witness the transformative power of the law of attraction working in your favor. Number 2. Every day in every way, I'm becoming richer and more prosperous. Our second affirmation emphasizes the concept of continuous improvement and growth. By affirming that you are becoming richer and more prosperous every day, you set a positive intention for consistent financial progress. While it doesn't promise instant wealth, it focuses on steady advancement. Think of it as planting a seed that will grow over time. Visualize your financial situation improving gradually but surely. Imagine small wins like receiving a raise, finding valuable coins, or making smart investments that yield returns. The power of this affirmation lies in its simplicity and repetition. By saying it daily, you train your mind to expect and seek out opportunities for growth. It's like programming your subconscious to be on the lookout for ways to enhance your financial well-being. As you repeat this phrase, feel the confidence and optimism growing within you. Embrace the journey of financial progress and trust that the universe will support your path to prosperity. Number 3. I deserve unlimited wealth and I accept it now. This affirmation challenges any limiting beliefs or doubts you might have about your worthiness of wealth. It declares that you deserve unlimited abundance and that you are open to receiving it immediately. By affirming this statement, you break free from the belief that money is hard to come by or that you are not deserving of it. Think about all the dreams and aspirations you have for your life. Whether it's traveling the world, providing for your loved ones, or starting a business, financial resources are essential to making those dreams a reality. Visualize yourself living a life of luxury and comfort. Picture the possibilities that unfold when you have unlimited financial resources at your disposal. Affirm with conviction, I deserve unlimited wealth and I accept it now. Believe in your inherent worthiness and allow yourself to receive abundance without guilt or hesitation. Embrace the limitless potential that lies within you and trust that the universe will conspire to bring wealth into your life. Number 4. Money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Our fourth affirmation focuses on opening yourself up to various avenues of income. It acknowledges that wealth can flow into your life through both anticipated and surprising means. By affirming this statement, you expand your possibilities beyond a single source of income and welcome unexpected opportunities. Think about different ways you can generate wealth, such as investments, royalties, gifts, or even winning the lottery. The element of surprise adds an exciting twist to your financial journey. Visualize money coming to you from sources you hadn't even considered. Picture unexpected checks arriving in the mail, sudden promotions at work, or innovative ideas that turn into profitable ventures. Affirm, money comes to me in expected and unexpected ways. Embrace the unknown and trust that the universe has wonderful surprises in store for you. Keep your mind open to new possibilities and be prepared to seize opportunities as they arise. Remember, sometimes the most unexpected turns lead to the greatest financial rewards. Number 5. I am grateful for the wealth that surrounds me every day. Our final affirmation emphasizes the importance of gratitude in attracting and maintaining wealth. By expressing gratitude for the abundance that already exists in your life, you cultivate a positive mindset that welcomes more prosperity. Gratitude is a powerful tool that aligns you with the vibrational frequency of wealth. Visualize yourself surrounded by all the blessings you already have. Whether it's a comfortable home, loving relationships, or good health, recognize and appreciate these blessings as manifestations of wealth in your life. Express gratitude for the financial resources you do have, no matter how small they may seem. Thank the universe for every opportunity, every job, every bit of income that flows your way. Affirm, I am grateful for the wealth that surrounds me every day. Send out a vibrational signal to the universe that you are open to receiving even more abundance. As you cultivate gratitude, you become a magnet for more blessings, including financial ones. Remember, true wealth encompasses more than just money. It includes all the positive aspects of your life that bring you joy and fulfillment. Embrace the abundance that flows to you every day and express sincere gratitude for it. So there you have it, 5 daily affirmations to attract wealth and prosperity into your life. Incorporate these affirmations into your daily routine and watch as they transform your financial reality. Remember, consistency is key. Repeat these phrases with unwavering belief and visualize yourself surrounded by abundance. As you do, stay open to receiving unexpected opportunities and express gratitude for the wealth that flows to you. If you found these affirmations helpful, don't forget to share them with your friends and family. Spread the message of financial abundance and empower others on their own manifestation journeys. By sharing, you'll not only help others, but also reinforce the power of these affirmations yourself. Now it's your turn to take action. Start speaking these affirmations daily. Visualize your financial goals and trust in the law of attraction to bring them to fruition. Embrace the journey towards wealth and prosperity and believe in your ability to manifest abundance in your life. If you want to dive deeper into the world of manifestation and accelerate your journey towards wealth, consider joining the course 369 Manifestation Code. This comprehensive program will teach you advanced techniques and strategies to align your energy with the universe's infinite abundance. Led by experienced guides, the course will help you unlock your full manifesting potential and break through any barriers that have been holding you back. Through practical exercises, real-life examples, and a supportive community, you'll learn how to harness the power of the universe to create the financial reality you desire. Are you ready to take the next step towards your financial goals? Check the link in the description to learn more about the new 369 manifestation code and enroll today. Don't wait any longer to manifest the wealth you deserve. Start your transformation journey now and witness the incredible power of the universe working in your favor. Thank you for tuning in and joining us on this episode of Life Changing Universe channel. If you've enjoyed the content and found it valuable, we invite you to hit that like button and share it with your friends and family. Your support means everything to us and motivates us to continue creating uplifting and transformative content. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. By subscribing, you'll be the first to know when new videos are released, and you'll never miss out on any of our life-changing insights. We would love to hear your thoughts and experiences, so please feel free to drop them in the comments section below. Your comments inspire us and help us create even better content for you. Once again, thank you for watching. Sending you all abundant blessings, and until next time, may the universe be with you.